In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go to the terminal in MetaTrader 5. We'll walk through a simple process that starts from the MetaTrader 5 platform and takes you into the web-based terminal, where you can access your trading account online. Even though this is a short set of steps, I'll explain each part clearly so you understand not just what to click, but why you're doing it. First, make sure MetaTrader 5 is open on your computer. Once the platform is running, look towards the top left corner of the window. You'll see the main menu bar, and the very first option there is called File. This is where you'll find a lot of important commands related to your accounts and platform configuration. Go ahead and click on File. When you do that, a drop-down menu will appear. Take a moment to look through the options if you'd like, but for our purposes, you're looking for the one labeled Web Trader. This option allows you to open the MetaTrader 5 web terminal directly from your desktop platform, so you can trade in your browser. Now, click on Web Trader. Your default internet browser should open automatically and take you to the MetaTrader web terminal page. This is essentially the online version of your trading terminal, which means you can access your charts, open and close trades, and monitor your positions without relying only on the desktop app. Once the web terminal page loads, you'll need to log into your trading account. On the screen, you'll see fields for your login details. Here, enter your trading account number and your password, and make sure you select the correct trading server provided by your broker. Be careful when typing this information, and double check that everything is accurate before you continue. After you've entered your details, click the button to log in. If the information